Mary. This is a massage oil and a body mist. Thank you. Hindi ko po alam kung kaninong galing pero super thank you. Wala, pinabalik ko. Thank you po. Walang pangalan. Walang pangalan ng soap.
Cute, ang ganda.
Yay! Ito lang sa this is from Ninang Princess and Kuya Prince. Thank you po. Rascals and friends. Wow, books. Tita Angela. Water, wow. Tito Ryan and Tita Arya. Vino, baby. Ana, thank you po. Wow, ang laki. Bush. Kaya na, ininang Roel again.
Yan, maganda.
Happy birthday to you. Baby Mavie, love Ninang JM and Ninang Queen. Thank you po. Ninang Queen and Ninang JM. Ninang Tantan and Tita Jen. Wow! Bib, Lion. Wala. This is from Tita Raquel. Thank you po. Tita Camille. Thank you po. Towel. Ito ay galing yata kay Tita Rio. This is from Ninang Pat. Shirt. Shirts. From Nathan and Caleb. Wow, Bulan. Si Castella. Thank you po. Ninang Shaira. Audrey. Thank you po, Ninang. Yay, thank you po. From Tita Mapit. Thank you po. Ninang Dang. Ate Sky. Ninong Glenn. Ate Lay. Thank you po. Thank you po. Si Mavie from Isa. T-shirt. Okay ba?
Ayan.
Circles. Thank you po. From Mama Pe. Yay. And pants. From Yastin and Yo-Yo. Yay, you have a motorcycle na. Thank you po. Kuya Yo and Ate Ish, thank you so much po. Bath and ito. And lotion. Maxine Kelly, Ninang Max and Tito Wow, trucks. Words. Bottles, thank you po. Long Pifton. Thank you po. Dough. Mellow Dough. Thank you po. And Lola Ariel and Lola Grace. Thank you po. With letter butterfly. Dear Daddy Mark and Mommy Abby, guess how much I love you.